Sinks, a good kitchen helper. Kitchen toy, role playing.
Hi guys! It's me, Harper and Sawyer. Today we're going to do this sinks thing. I'm going to talk about these. So
Yes, what are those?
I'm going to talk about this is a fruit, and this is a strawberry, and this is a gray, and this is a carrot, and this is broccoli, and this is corn.
And what's the best part of those things?
That you can do this.
Yes, they come apart.
And you can cut them.
Isn't that cool?
It sounds like salt coming out.
It sounds like salt. And they have Velcro on them, so you can cut them apart. Is that what you're doing, Sawyer?
Yep.
And Sawyer, what do you have?
I have dishes.
You have dishes. Show us your sink here.
Yeah, you do this.
Oh, no, push down. Push it.
And you do the water and you drain it right here with the yellow thing with the hook.
Yes, you drain it. And what do you all have with your sink?
We have soap and we have this and some dishes.
Are you going to wash dishes?
Yes. Right now. So you can watch how both. But I'm not doing
You're going to dump them in?
This is just like this. Oh, there's a pink knife. You want pink knife? So follow. I'm dump this. I'm dumping this and then putting this right on and put this out. Now and push down and drain the water and then do dishes.
Yes, can you do the dishes? Show us your cute little apron, Sawyer. It came with a cute apron. What does it say? Stand up. It says, I love you with a duck. Happy every day you smile, I smile. Oh, it's cute.
Guys, I'm washing this right now.
Yes.
I'm trying to do dishes.
Yeah. You can sit and play. How cool is it? So this sink is battery operated. Batteries go in here. And we filled this bottom basin with water. And then they can pretend to play and wash dishes after they have a picnic and eating their fruit. And that little cloth came with it also. Yes. Normally you don't drink your dishwater.
Yeah, you don't. If it's a toy toy, you can.
Well, good thing it's from our fridge. Hmm? But yes, a role-playing kitchen sink. Super cute. They have been waiting all day to try this out and play with it. What do you think of it, Harper?
It's awesome.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes.
Scrub.
Yes. Thank you to the Sinks Company for this awesome toy. We thought since it was a rainy day, it'd be a great day to show off our toy. And I didn't realize they were going to come with strawberry or, like vegetables to play with. And it also came with this little rag or towel, nice cloth. So many things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I don't know. It's like 20 pieces. Anything else you want to share or say about your new sink toy?
No, it's a secret.
It's a secret?
Yeah.
Why is it a secret?
Because we love secrets.
Oh. So there's the dimensions of the sink toy.
Dry them out.
Yes, you can put them in here.
I do that like that 4 times.
I don't know why my phone keeps not focusing. Okay, what do we tell everybody?
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna cut this, guys. Scrubby scrub. Uh-huh.